Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can join any group in Telegram. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. And also, before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your Telegram application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So in order to join any group on Telegram, first thing what you can do is open up your Telegram application. What you can do is, in order to join a public group, you can just type in the group name and on the search box, and as you type in the name, and after that open up the group page and click on join, which is right at the bottom. And as soon as you click on it, you'll be the part of this particular group, and you've successfully joined a public group. In order to join a private group, you'll be receiving an invite link. So for example, as you can see that there is the group link, so just click on it. After that, you'll need to click on this option that is join group. So now the admin has to accept your request, and as soon as he or she accepts your request, you'll be the part of this group. And that is how you can join any group in Telegram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.